We talk about rights. We talk about the rights of the arrested, the rights of the accused persons, the rights of the detained person, but we have not made it tangible. Because if you visit these institutions, you will wonder what we are as Kenya. None of the people charged with corruption cases was in pretrial detention. It is only the poor. They have no food, they have no classes, cases take very long, and most people who should be in custody are walking outside. And most people who should be outside are in custody. There is a need for us to reform the criminal justice sector. We also observed that cases were taking very long, and there was a need for us to expedite those cases through the system. As a result of that, DPP Haji, myself and the office tried to come up with initiatives